Welcome to Luxury Lane Motors. The Tesla Model S refresh is a groundbreaking update to one of the most iconic electric vehicles on the market, combining futuristic design, unparalleled performance and cutting-edge technology. This refresh takes the Model S to an entirely new level. From the exterior, the updated design features a sleeker, more aerodynamic profile with refined LED headlights and tail lights that give the car a sharper, more aggressive look. The new wheel designs improve both aesthetics and efficiency, while the overall silhouette maintains the elegance and sportiness that have defined the Model S since its launch. Tesla has fine-tuned every detail to enhance aerodynamics, allowing for better range and performance. Step inside and the cabin is nothing short of a tech lover's dream. The redesigned interior is a perfect blend of minimalism and luxury, featuring high-quality materials, a spacious layout, and a futuristic cockpit that redefines the driving experience. The most striking feature is the new 17-inch landscape touchscreen, which serves as the command center for nearly every function of the car, from navigation to media, climate control, and vehicle settings. The updated UI is smoother and more responsive than ever, offering an intuitive and seamless user experience. Complementing this is the controversial yoke-style steering wheel inspired by aviation, which enhances visibility of the digital driver display and adds a unique high-tech feel to the driving experience. For those who prefer a more traditional approach, Tesla now offers an optional round steering wheel as well. The Model S refresh is designed to offer the ultimate experience, not just for the driver but also for passengers. The rear seats have been upgraded with enhanced comfort and more legroom, and they now feature a dedicated 8-inch touchscreen, allowing passengers to control climate, media, and even gaming functions. The premium 22-speaker audio system, improved soundproofing, and ventilated seats create a luxurious and immersive atmosphere, making long drives more enjoyable than ever. Additionally, wireless device charging, ambient lighting, and an advanced HEPA filtration system add to the premium feel of the cabin. Tesla has always been about performance, and the Model S refresh takes it to new heights. The long-range version offers an impressive 405 miles of EPA estimated range and delivers a 0 to 60 miles per hour time of just 3.1 seconds, making it one of the fastest sedans on the road. For those seeking mind-blowing acceleration, the Plaid variant features a tri-motor setup producing over 1020 horsepower, allowing it to reach 60 miles per hour in just 1.99 seconds. This makes the Model S Plaid the fastest production sedan in the world, a testament to Tesla's relentless pursuit of performance excellence. The advanced all-wheel drive system, adaptive air suspension, and improved thermal management ensure maximum efficiency and handling, giving drivers the confidence to push the car to its limits. Charging and range have also been improved with Tesla's latest battery technology, providing more efficiency and faster charging times. The Model S is compatible with Tesla's Supercharger network, allowing drivers to add up to 200 miles of range in just 15 minutes. The inclusion of a heat pump system further improves cold weather efficiency, ensuring that range loss in extreme conditions is minimized. Beyond speed and range, the Tesla Model S refresh is packed with industry-leading software and autonomous driving capabilities. The latest version of Autopilot provides advanced driver assistance features, while full self-driving FSD unlocks additional functionalities like automatic lane changes, traffic light recognition, and the ability to navigate on highways and city streets with minimal driver input. Tesla's AI-driven approach ensures that the car continues to improve over time through over-the-air software updates, adding new features and enhancements that keep the Model S at the cutting edge of automotive technology. Entertainment has also been taken to the next level with the new gaming-capable infotainment system, boasting up to 10 teraflops of processing power, rivaling some gaming consoles. Passengers can enjoy high-quality games with wireless controller support, stream their favorite content, or even use in-car apps for productivity and entertainment with multiple screens, a powerful processor, and seamless connectivity. The Model S is more than just a car, it's a rolling entertainment hub. The Tesla Model S refresh represents the pinnacle of electric vehicle innovation, offering a perfect balance of luxury, performance, and technology. Whether you're looking for an eco-friendly daily driver, a high-performance sports sedan, or a futuristic tech powerhouse, the Model S delivers on all fronts. Its blend of exhilarating speed, long-range capabilities, and state-of-the-art features sets a new benchmark in the EV market, proving once again that Tesla is leading the charge toward the future of transportation. If you're excited about the Tesla Model S refresh and want to see more reviews, updates, and in-depth comparisons, be sure sure to like this video, leave a comment and subscribe to the channel for more electrifying content.